And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Avena. Avena de Puerto Rico. This is, in essence, oatmeal. And all you need here is about a cup of fresh milk or a cup of water, that would do too, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and about 1/3 of a cup of the oat. And you want to have handy some ground cinnamon. Doesn't matter what is the brand, by the way. I'm using Quaker, but you can use any type of brand you want. So I have my pot ready. And let me put a medium high for now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the milk. And have some more milk handy in case you need it. I'm going to add the oat. And I'm going to add the sugar. You can use sugar substitute, or you can do it without sugar. It's up to you. Or you can add a little bit more. And then what you're going to do, you're going to stir this baby. And you're going to let it prepare. So it's going to start boiling. When it boils, just reduce your heat a little bit. But it's getting the consistency already. And you're going to do this until you get that consistency. And it's not going to take a long time, depending on the stove you're using. This is electrical, you're using gas. You know, you have to consider this stuff. It might take you 2 minutes, it might take you 5 minutes. Who cares? You know? But it's not going to take a long time. That's the beauty about this. This one have a nice consistency already, so I'm going to transfer from here to this plate. And go to the next final step. Look at this beauty, huh? Look at this beauty. Let me turn it off. And one thing I forgot to mention is if it becomes too thick, you can add a little bit more water or milk, whatever you're using. Doesn't matter. Now that you transfer it to a plate, just put a little bit of cinnamon. Some people like to put raisin on top. You can do that if you put in a little cup. I put it in a plate because I want you to see what I have here, but you can put it in a cup. You can add some fruits like berries, you know, blackberry or whatever. Some people put a little bit of salt. I don't like to put salt. I like it sweeter. But you can put a little bit of salt when you're cooking it. You can put a little bit of vanilla extra while you're cooking it. I decided not to. I wanted to go 100% straight up. Let's cook and let's eat type thing.